Alrighty, everyone. Here we are on the lesson 4 classwork. Remember, classwork is your blue packet. You know it's lesson 4 because it says it at the top. So I kind of gave you two sets of problems to work on today. The first goal was to get through problems number 1 through 9. So within 1 through 9, I'm going to look at number 7 because sometimes that's the one that you all do a little too much work on. So I've got 11/12 minus 3/4. So you're trying to get that common denominator. And now if you look at it, first thing to check is to be like, well, does the smaller number go into the bigger number? And yes, 4 goes into 12. So all I need to do is just change the second fraction. So I have to multiply both numbers by 3. So I have 11/12 minus 9/12. Okay, you don't have to change both of them. You can just change one of them. Makes your life easier. So then when I subtract, I would get 2/12. And then remember, you have to simplify. So I'd have to divide both of these by 2. And you get 1/6. Yes, you need to simplify everything. Okay, that's like the golden rule in math. And then for the other part of it, I wanted you to kind of jump to the second page to number 16, and the goal was then to get through 16 through 22, right? Because here we have mixed numbers. Now, on the back side, you can do it more than one way. Some of you will like to keep the whole numbers, and you're always going to take the whole numbers first and then take care of the fractions. Some of you might want to make them into improper fractions. I'm going to do 19 here. So first I'm going to take care of my whole numbers. So I would have 7 minus 4. So my whole number would be 3. And then I have the 5/6 minus the 7/24. Okay, now quick glance, you're like, well, 7/24 has got bigger numbers, so shouldn't I put that first? No, just leave it for now. Take care of that common denominator. 6 goes into 24, so I can multiply both of these by 4. So I'd end up with 20/24 minus 7/24. And then you look, you're like, well, thank goodness I didn't switch it, or else that would have been a big mistake. When I subtract, I would get 13/24, and I cannot simplify that. So then just remember to write your full answer as 3 and 13/24. All right, and then remember to check them when you finish. If you go into your OneNote for math, go into the content library here on the left, unit review, answer keys, and everything is in here that you can check. But you can always come to office hours or send me an email, but that's all I'm going to do for now.